Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes fix preview pane not working for PDF files in Windows 11, 10. First method is delete any symbol in end of the file name. Second method is open PDF file. Open menu, click Preferences. Click General Categories. Check Enable PDF Thumbnail Previews in Windows Explorer. Third method is open Acrobat Reader. Click Menu, click Help, click Check for updates. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.